Guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be sharing my everything shower routine essentials. So guys, in this video I'll be sharing all the products that I have used and currently using for my shower routine, and these are the products which are self-purchased and nothing is sponsored. So this is going to be an honest brutal review video. And guys, also one more thing, products that I'm using are mostly under 500. I would not say all, but 98% of the products are under 500. So this is going to be quite affordable video for you all. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. So the first category is a hair care. So first thing first is a scalp massager. As we all know, scalp massagers are really good for your hair. It promotes the blood circulation and that in turn promotes the hair growth. It helps to relieve you with the stress, headache, and even if you have an itchy scalp, it soothes your muscles, and that is actually really good, plus it is so affordable. So the second product is L'Oreal Professional Absolute Repair Shampoo. So guys, it claims that it has protein, omega-9, and it helps you with the dry and damaged hair. But honestly, I have a very mixed review about this shampoo because I have not at all seen the significant difference, though I'm using it from quite some time now and I have been very regular, but I am not recommending it honestly, sorry. Moving on to the hair mask from the brand called L'Oreal. It's Absolute Repair. Yet again, it does have protein, omega-9, good for damaged and dry hair. So for this hair mask, it is really good. Since I'm not recommending the shampoo, but I am recommending this hair mask, it has performed really well on my hair, and it's not necessary that you can use it together. You can use another shampoo and you can use hair mask and still it can work best for you. So for me, it's a thumbs up. The last product from hair care category is the Streaks hair serum. So this is definitely a thumbs up. Pretty affordable. It gives you shine and smoothen your hair, and it is really good for your damaged and dry hair. And guys, you can use it before hair styling, and that is the best thing I feel about this. And it does has a walnut oil, so it's 10 on 10. Now moving on to our next category is none other than body care. So the first product is this deep exfoliating gloves. Guys, this is so good, pretty affordable, and I ordered it from Blinkit, and it helps you not only remove your dead skin but improves your collagen, it improves your blood circulation, and I highly recommend it. Now moving on to the second product is the body scrub from the brand called Chemist Play. Guys, it has such a good strong fragrance of coffee. It has a natural AHA and essential ceramides that helps you in removing the tan and brightens up your skin, and you do not feel any dry or itchiness after scrubbing your body. It's a good product. Now the next product is Nivea Roll-On. This is such a great product for women, and I have spoken about it so many times in my previous videos also. It is really good for sensitive skin, pretty affordable, and it does last 24 hours, and I have seen a visible difference in the body odor. So the next product is the body oil from the brand called Plum. It has vanilla vibes, so good, such a great fragrance. But honestly guys, it's not a necessity that you have to add in your body care products, unlike body lotion and roll-on. Honestly, I just use it when I have to go out and I have to layer my fragrances, but I'm not using it in a regular basis, so it's a quite optional product. Now the next product is body lotion. So guys, the brands like Vaseline and Nivea, I have been using it since my childhood and they have never ever disappointed me. It is so good when it comes to body lotion, and this particular product has a shea butter and it is not at all greasy, and it is so good for your upcoming winters also. So it's pretty affordable, and if you're looking for a very good body lotion, it's a must have. Now the last product from this category is none other than body spray and body mist. So let me talk about body mist first. So this is from the brand called Plum, and if you are into fresh cocktail, beachy, vanilla, fruity vibes, then this is a must have for you. This fragrance lasts you whole day, but my preference has been slightly changed and I'm more into this brand Fab Essentials. They and if make you're such into good lemon, body spray. In last video also I have spoken about it. Must have, so good, and I highly recommend it.
Now, moving on to our next category is none other than my favorite, skincare.
So the first product is face scrub from the brand called M Caffeine. So guys, as we all know, coffee is such a great exfoliant. It helps you to remove your tan, brighten up your skin. But what I like about it, it has argan oil, vitamin E, which helps you with the nourishment, and it does not leave your skin dry or itchy, and that's the best part. Moving on to face wash, so I am using Dot and Key watermelon variant face wash. So guys, this is really good for the people who have oily skin. It has vitamin C and cucumber in it, which helps you to soothe your skin, and obviously it removes the excess oil, and the best part is it is sulfate free and non-comedogenic. Absolutely a thumbs up. Now the next product is none other than the my favorite moisturizer from the brand called Pond's. Guys, this is super light gel moisturizer. It absorbs in your skin like anything, and as you can see, I have almost finished this tub. I mean, I really love it. Plus it has a hyaluronic acid in it, which is so good for your skin. So if you're looking for a good moisturizer for your oily skin, moving on to in a budget, I highly recommend you to buy this brand called 52 Sundays. So guys, when I saw it, I honestly bought it because of the packaging, but I really loved the application as it is super easy. You just have to do 1 or 2 spray and you are done. And not only this, it is non-comedogenic, it is SPF 50++, it has a water-based formulation, and it is super handy. I mean, you can go anywhere and you can just take it and apply it. I mean, I loved this application, I loved the concept, so I highly recommend you guys to at least have one good spray sunscreen.
So yeah guys, that was it for the video. I hope you like it. Also guys, the sale is going on Myntra, Amazon, Flipkart and Nykaa. If you really loved any product, you can go and buy it. If you really loved watching it, please share it with your friends and family, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and see you in my next video. Okay, bye.